This smokable is called Clear and Focus. This is for the mind. I had someone email me and wanted to know what they could take for concentration, focus, and he stated that he was a writer. So I hope you're watching this video and this is for you. So let's get, don't forget to get your free ebook. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, so what I have here, what I formulated, he wanted something clear. He wanted to be focused. He wanted concentration. So I've got my base herb right here. Red raspberry leaf is what I chose. And this is 3 tablespoons, and we're going to add this to the bowl. Okay. Now, the next supportive herb that I am using is sage. Okay, we haven't talked about sage before, but it has been shown to improve mood, alertness, attention, memory, total recall. It reduces mental fatigue and increases alertness. So I have 1 tablespoon of white sage, and we're going to put this in here. So I've got 2 supportives, just like I did before. So I've got 3 tablespoons of red raspberry leaf, 1 tablespoon of white sage, and for the next ingredient, we have Gotu Kola, and that's 1 tablespoon. And what that does is for concentration, focus, improves brain function, beneficial for the mood. It's just an overall wonderful herb for the brain. Okay, and so for taste, we're going to go with peppermint again. Helps boost energy, helps your mood. It helps with alertness, fatigue. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of peppermint leaf. And this is what it's going to, it makes it more palatable. It makes it a great smoke. And this is the final product for the Focus Mind Herbal Blend.